Alright, so here's my Nova. I got a bit of bad news. It was running kind of funky, burning oil and stuff, so I checked the compression. First cylinder was good. I was like, oh, sweet, that's nice, that's pretty good. Uh-oh. 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 I didn't even check the rest, so I'm going to rebuild it. I'm thinking about a twin turbo, but that's, I don't know. I'm going to throw some forged pistons, just a good rebuild kit in there for now. We'll see what happens though, I guess. I don't know, it's already got the headers on there. Performer intake, 4-barrel carb, HEI, true duals, cam. I don't know, we'll see though. Want more power. I'm going to start ripping apart the motor today. Hopefully get it all out by tonight and ready to go. Take off the heads, see how the cylinders look. Alright, I got the motor all ripped out, tranny 2. I need some cleanup in there, but whatever. Motor looks real nice. Found out it's a 4-bolt main. Everything looks really good. Cylinders look really fucking nice. Heads look okay. I think I'm gonna just get some Vortex, so Vortex head, Vortex heads, Vortex intake. Roller rocker, maybe, thinking about it. Tranny's probably going to get rebuilt. I'm also thinking about getting a bigger stall, probably like a 2800 or so. It's a turbo 350 small block, obviously. Alright, so I originally took my motor out because I thought the timing chain was gone and the compression was bad, so I knew the range were bad, but thought the timing chain was gone. Took off the cover. Yeah, I think I was right. It's a little stretched, I'd say. That's pretty bad.
There we go. This one must have a little more of a lip on it. Learn anything?